What we got here in the box is from VEVOR. VEVOR tools, accessories, and much more. Tough tools, half price. What's inside that box is going to amaze you. Now, I want to let everybody know that the price of this box that you're looking at is a little over $200. But when you see what it is, you're going to look at all the other manufacturers that are making this item. You're going to do your research, and you're going to find out that this is the most durable item, the most non-expensive item, the most reasonable priced item, and what you get with this item is unbelievable. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of this item, and then we're going to go ahead and assemble it, and then we are going to test it out. So let's get the box cutters out, let's get our gloves on, and let's start getting her done right here with VEVOR tools and much more.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
So what we got in this box is actually a pretty heavy box. We're not going to be able to lift it up on the table, so I'm going to go ahead and unpack it down here on the floor. And this is an item that if you are an adventurer, you might say, if you own some mid-sized mountain bikes, dirt bikes, trials bikes possibly, or any type of motorcycle whatsoever, this is something that's going to save your ass as far as hauling them to where you want to go. Because what this is this is a two-person, this is a motorcycle carrier. It's a trailer-mounted carrier. I'm sorry, not a trailer-mounted, a hitch-mounted carrier for two motorcycles. So as we unbox it, we can see that it comes with a ramp. This is a ramp. We're going to set that to the side. I'm hoping that's a ramp. It might be something else, but we're going to get into that in a minute. It comes with a locking plate that mounts to your hitch receiver on your vehicle once this is installed, and it's basically a stabilizer. I'm going to show you how to use that. Look at all the straps it comes with. It comes with all of the tie-down straps necessary to, look at this. There's so many of them here, I can't hold them all with my hands. So we got more straps than we can imagine. This comes with this kit. We got all this hardware here. Look at this. All right, here's some more hardware. Look at this. This is some heavy-duty stuff, guys. Once again, this is a two-bike carrier, two motorcycle carrier to carry motorcycles, not bicycles, motorcycles. So this is our instruction sheet on how to put it all together. And I'm not going to show you any pictures in this because I'm going to go ahead and build this, and then we'll show you what's going on. Now, I'm presuming, and this is what I got it for, it's mainly made for dirt bikes. I would not suggest to use this for a full dresser Harley Davidson motorcycle or anything big giant street bike. What I'm going to do is open the rest of this. We're going to look at everything individual, and then I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. And here's our ramp right here. I'm sorry, I thought that was our ramp, but you can see the ramp. Look at this ramp. There's no way that you would go off this ramp and accidentally tip the bike over. It's built very, very nice. It's very lightweight. This is our, now this is steel. This is not aluminum. That's what I was curious about when I saw the price. And I was thinking, if this is all aluminum, the carrier bar itself, all right, the receiver part of it, if that's aluminum, I would actually be afraid to carry my bikes because I'd be afraid that it would break up here in this area. But now that I see it, this is actually powder coated, aluminum powder coated. That means that the color of it is aluminum and it's steel. This is not hand painted. It's not raw metal. This is powder coated paint. Yeah, beautiful situation here, guys. I like this thing. Let me go ahead and get this all built. We're going to get it together. I'm going to go ahead and mount this on my truck. You're going to see me do that. And then we're going to get our pit bikes out. We're going to load them up and see how good this thing works. Okay. I went ahead and semi-assembled it on the ground, which I wasn't even thinking. I'm such a dumbass. I could have put this in here and assembled it this way. So we're going to go ahead and get that in there. And look at that. And I will say that pin is a very precise fit. I got all the bolts bolted loosely. I'm going to get my impact. I'm going to tighten all those. Alright, so we got it mounted onto the truck. I just went ahead and tightened all the bolts down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it outside and we're going to test this thing out. Alright, before we go outside and test this out and load our bikes onto it, I want to show you that this kit comes with every tie-down strap that you need. It comes down with the ratchet, it comes with the ratchet straps and the tie-down strap itself. The straps are very high quality. They're not cheap. They're not inexpensive by any means. This is rubber right here. You got a nice handle to grip. They're heavy duty and they are worthy to haul your motorcycle all the way across the country if you have to. One more thing I want to show you is it comes with this pin right here, and I'm going to go ahead and take this out. I want to show you this. It comes with this pin right here. And what this is for is if you're hauling a smaller motorcycle or dirt bike or possibly a pit bike or a mini bike, you take this pin, you put it in this hole right here just like that, and then what that does is that actually makes this opening right here where your front tire would sit smaller so the tire doesn't fall through. So that's a pretty nice option as well. Let's go ahead and open up the garage where our bikes are. So while I'm taking a break in the truck, drinking a nice ice cold water, Minnie the body shop girl can actually load the bikes up by herself and tie them down.
Oh, I doubt
so
that.
So come on over here. Let's see how easy. Let's see how easy the VEVOR. Can you grab your little Buscadero there and bring it over here, please? Bring the Buscadero over here. Let's see what we got. Okay, the bike is ready to load. Let's get Minnie the body shop girl up here and see if she can get it on up here now.
Now, should I stand on?
You should stand on whatever side you can go through the rails with. All right, so here she goes. She's going to push it up the ramp. 1, 2, 3, go.
I knew that was going to happen.
Okay. Come on, keep going. Come on, use your brake, use your hand brake. Use your hand brake. Straddle the bike. No, don't straddle it. You might lose it. Okay, we see Minnie the body shop.
Oh, wait.
Hold on, she might be able, okay.
Wait.
Might be able, okay, that's what the ramp's good for, see, so that it doesn't slide off. See what's going on? Okay, come on, you can do it. Don't let it run you over. You better get over on the other side of it.
Oh, look here.
Okay, there's one wheel. Okay, my friend Pete better give her a helping hand. It's gonna roll backwards on her.
No, I got the brake.
Ready? Go. Come on.
Oh,
There you go. Come on, bring it on up. Bring it on up. Bring it on up. Come on. Okay, come on. A little more. Okay, hold it right there. Okay, can you hold it?
yeah, don't lean it over there.
Okay. Go ahead and lean it on my truck for
I
now.
got it.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Throwing it over that way.
Hold on to it. I'm going to put a strap on it to hold it down. Hold on. Let's get a strap on this, baby.
That little pin's supposed to hold that up and it should have
Yes.
a rudder under there.
That's what the pin's for.
For what?
For if you got baby wheels like you got, it's so the wheel will fit in there. That's what it's for. That's the angle of that. Well, we kind of found out Minnie the body shop girl ain't loading any bikes.
No, I'm not really quite strong enough.
Now, I just want to let everybody know, before we got this action, we actually have an aluminum ramp that we would put in the truck, and then we'd run those up. Minnie would be in the truck, and then we'd tie them down. Now, what I found out about this action is it takes a little bit more tying down to actually make it work. So, let me get my bike up. And this is a 140cc as well. It's an automatic, but it is a bigger bike. So, I'm gonna get this up here like this. Just like that. All right, we finally got the bikes loaded. What's my opinion on those? It's kind of tricky to figure out your first time around how to load the bikes onto. What's up?
Just saying if you got her figured out.
I got it figured out. I was telling everybody when you first get it, it's kind of tricky to figure out how to tie them off. But what I did is I tied the handlebars off and I came down to the eyelet on each side. And then I took a strap from the frame right here, the rear section. I tied it to this one. And if this hole was bigger, if they wobbled that hole out where you can put two hooks in, it would make it a lot nicer. And then you can see the bike is a solid mount. It's not going to go anywhere. It will not roll off. It will not fall off. It will not do anything.
Awesome.
The front bike is tied off the same way. Once again, this is a pit bike. That's a mini bike. It gives you the idea. You can see how much room we got over here. You could still put a bigger bike on it than this. The space in between the bikes, plenty of space for big bikes. You can see how far it is from the truck in between the bikes. Your ramp sits right in on the back there. It bolts down and you're ready to rock and roll and go. This is Pete. What do I think about it? I think it's a Go Show winner for $240 or whatever it costs. I think it was $240. This is a screaming deal for the mountain bike guy, or should I say girl, that wants to go out and have some fun. There you go, VEVOR motorcycle carrier, carries 2 motorcycles, and you're ready to go out and have fun. And another thing that this is good for, if you have a topper on your truck, see what I'm saying? If you have a camper shell on your truck, if you have a camper itself on your truck, this is something you definitely can use if you can't use your truck. It's an all-in-one unit. One more thing I wanted to show you that I haven't installed yet. If we look in this bag right here, this is a stabilizer plate. There's a plate here, and then you got this U-bolt. Let me show you where that goes. So if I was going to go ahead and install this, I would take the plate, and the plate actually hooks on down on the bottom of my receiver. You can see how it's kind of angled right here. And then you'd put the U-bolt on there, and then that would clamp this in place. Now watch this, if you can go over there, and it will eliminate this rocking action right here and make it a solid mount part of the vehicle type situation by using this. So I'll go ahead and install this later. I'm not going to do it right now. But once again, this is a VEVOR item. You can check it out. Make sure you go to the description and check out the link to get to it. And You'll also get I believe a 10 or 20% discount if you order it from the link in the description. My friend Pete, your friend Pete right here, doing reviews of products that will work once you figure out how they work. And we already know many won't be loading them.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.